Table etiquette refers to the manners and rules that govern behavior when dining at a table, whether it's a formal dinner, a business meeting, or a casual meal. Proper table etiquette is essential for creating a positive and polished impression. Here's a step-by-step guide to table etiquette. Number 1. Seating arrangement. Wait to be seated or follow the host's instructions. In formal settings, there may be a seating plan. Otherwise, the host usually sits at the head of the table. Number 2. Napkin etiquette. Place your napkin on your lap immediately after sitting. If you need to leave temporarily, loosely fold the napkin and place it to the left or right of your plate. Number 3. Utensil placement. Use the BMW rule: forks on the left, B for bread, and knives and spoons on the right, M for meal. Work from the outside in, using the outermost utensils first. Number 4. Bread and butter. Break off bite-sized pieces of bread and butter them individually. Place your butter on your bread plate, not the main plate. Number 5. Eating pace. Pace yourself with the general flow of the meal. Don't rush or lag behind others. Take small, manageable bites. Number 6. Posture and position. Sit up straight with your elbows close to your body when not cutting or eating. Avoid slouching or resting your elbows on the table. Number 7. Cell phone etiquette. Turn off or silence your phone during the meal. If you must take a call, excuse yourself from the table. Number 8. Conversations. Engage in polite and inclusive conversation. Avoid discussing controversial or sensitive topics. Number 9. Wait for everyone. Wait for everyone to be served before starting to eat. If you need to leave the table during the meal, do so discreetly. Number 10. Signal for service. To signal you are finished, place your fork and knife diagonally across your plate with the handles at 4 o'clock and the tips at 10 o'clock. If you need something, politely make eye contact with the waiter or use a discreet gesture. At the end of finishing the meal, place utensils diagonally on the plate when finished. Signal the end of the meal by placing the napkin to the left of the plate. Always remember, good manners enhance the dining experience for everyone. Thank you for watching video.